Today, I'm not going to give you a 21-day challenge. I'm not giving you a 90-day plan. And this is not another motivational speech that makes you feel good for a moment and then you forget everything. Today, I'm giving you a 24-hour reset system. A system that can reset your mind, your energy, and the direction of your life. But there's one condition. This is not for people who only want to listen. This is for people who are ready to be honest with themselves, even for just one day. Because the truth is, your life is not stuck because you are weak. Your life is stuck because you've been lying to yourself. So, let's fix that today. Step 1. Choose one day. Just one day. On that day, put your phone aside. Stop scrolling. Don't watch TV shows. Just you and your mind. And understand this clearly. This day will feel uncomfortable. You'll keep wanting to pick up your phone. You'll tell yourself, just 1 minute, just one message. That moment is the most important moment. Because when the noise stops, everything you avoid every day starts coming up. Those thoughts, those feelings you normally run away from. Step 2, the mirror ritual. Stand in front of a mirror. No music, no positive affirmations. Just look at yourself and ask one question. What am I trying to become? You don't need to say the answer out loud. You need to feel it. It will feel awkward. It will feel heavy. But that feeling shows you exactly where you've been compromising with yourself. Because until you're honest with yourself, no system and no motivation will work. Step 3. Take a notebook. Write down just one thing you know you've been avoiding. It could be a habit or a decision you keep pushing to tomorrow. Now pause the video and write this in the comments. I am avoiding. For example, I am avoiding my diet plan. I am avoiding my study routine. This doesn't solve the problem, but it makes you accept it. And once you accept it, you stop ignoring it. That's where change begins. Step 4, set a 60-minute timer. Reserve this 1 hour for yourself. The first 20 minutes, focus on your body. Do anything physical. Walk, stretch, push-ups, stairs. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs movement. The next 20 minutes, focus on your mind. Write whatever is going on inside you. Overthinking, fear, anger, confusion, anything. This lightens your mind. The last 20 minutes, stillness. Just sit. Keep your phone away. You don't need to prove anything. In this silence, you'll realize something important. You're not too busy. You're disconnected. And this is where clarity starts to appear. Step 5. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror one last time. No questions, no motivational lines. Just say this to yourself. Today, I didn't run away. It wasn't a perfect day, but it was a real day. One day won't fix your entire life, but one day can introduce you to your real self. And once you meet your real self, direction starts becoming clear on its own. If this video inspired you to create change within yourself, don't scroll away. Choose one day and start from there. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you.